All right, YouTube, you know your boy really isn't that big on doing house calls, right? I don't like doing house calls because there's a lot of situations that they're not comfortable for me. You know what I'm saying? I don't like being hunched over, cutting hair, in a regular chair. The lighting a lot of times is bad. You know what I'm saying? You gotta take into consideration, you're taking time out of your day to pack your stuff up, leave, go to wherever it is you need to cut. You gotta unpack, cut, all that stuff. So I really don't be doing house calls. But I know y'all know there was a but coming. But if I do need to do a house call or if I do need to travel with my clippers, your boy really be rocking with GandBPro, you know what I'm saying? So check it out. In this video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. They did send your boy a package. We're gonna go ahead and open this up, unbox it. I'm gonna show y'all what I would put in my traveling suitcase, you know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, man, let's go ahead and get into this video. We're gonna be unboxing this package from GandBPro. Let's get it. All right, so let's go ahead and open this thing up. So like I said, man, I'm really not the biggest fan of doing house calls, but if need be, I'll do them. And you know that I've already got 2 GandBPro bags, so we got another one in here. So we're gonna open this one up and see what this one looking like. Let's see what they gave you, boy. Okay, man, they got their own cleaning kit, like to clean their bags. Check that out, a Protect Care Kit. Basically to clean your bag. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I thought this was for shoes. Cause your boy's a little sneakerhead. I was like, man, they selling stuff to clean shoes, you know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, we got a Protect Care Kit. That way you can clean your bags. We're gonna put that to the side. We're gonna see how this bag looks in here. All right, let's get this out of here. All right, we got this. I don't need the box over here. We can chunk that over there. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. Chunk that away. So check it out. Some of y'all may not be familiar with this style of bag from GandBPro, right? Y'all may be used to the backpacks, and the backpacks are cool and all, but I think, me personally, if I'm gonna travel, I'm gonna travel with one of these, and let me explain myself first. I say that because, you know what I'm saying, I'm already carrying a backpack. Like I got my camera bag on my back, you know what I'm saying, and I'm carrying that. I can't carry 2 backpacks. I know you're thinking like, bro, you can just carry it in your hand. I get it. As you can see, it's got the handle right here. It makes it really easy to carry, and it does also come with the straps. You can use it as a crossbody, but the straps ain't on yet. We're gonna open up this bag and we're gonna see all the compartment space that's in this bag. All right, so once again, here is the GandBPro bag. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So we're gonna be opening these up right here. Check that out. Nice layout. You can put your trimmers, clippers, shavers, hair products. You can put combs and stuff up here. You can put your razor blade. You can put more stuff up here. So as you can see, they got a lot of stuff in here, but let's go ahead and move this so y'all can see what else comes in here. So we're gonna open that up like that. Check that out. The Mobile Anywhere bag. Check that out. Shout out to GandBPro, man. They hooked your boy up. But here we got what I was telling y'all about, the straps for we can make this crossbody. You know what I'm saying? And I'll show y'all here in a minute, but we got the strap inside of the bag. But let's put this to the side. So like I was saying, as you can see, we got a lot of different compartments in here, right? We can put clippers, trimmers, razor blades. We can put combs and stuff right here. Even business cards, hair product, neck strips. We have some more stuff down here. Let me chunk this out the way. We got some more room down here for us to put stuff in. And then check it out. We also got a little compartment right here. You could unzip. You can put stuff in there. We have this right here. You can put like some cool care or something right here. As you can see, boom. You can fit that in there, But let's continue to look at these other compartments. Like I said, we have this front compartment that we already seen. We got the pocket right here, and we also have a little pocket right here. Unzip this, and we have some more room to place stuff in there. So like I was saying, guys, I like this bag because it's not as bulky as the other bags. I feel like this one is better for traveling. If you're traveling light, this one's really good for that option. The good thing about these things also is you can take these off, so you can move these around however you want. But we're gonna go ahead and load this thing up. Y'all seen we got a lot of space in that bag. We're gonna go ahead and load this bag up, see exactly what we can put in here if we did decide to travel and take stuff and go on a house call and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and see what all we can fit into this bag. All right, so you know if you're gonna travel, you're gonna need to take some clippers with you, right? So as you can see, like I said earlier, some of the spots aren't big enough. However, we can move these up and down. So we can take that out. We can put our clipper in right there, boom. We can have our clipper right there. You know, we need to take a trimmer also. So we got the trimmer right here. So what I would do is try to make it to where I can have the most amount of room. So I'm gonna put my trimmer in here and I'm gonna move this up. That way I have some more room if I need to put something else down there. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this one up also. So as you can see, I have little spots right there. If I wanted to take another clipper or trimmer, and then like I said, guys, you can move these things around. So we're gonna take that off. We're gonna move this one. So we're gonna put that in there, as y'all can see. And then if I wanted to put some more stuff right there, let's say I wanted to bring my shaver with me. So we can put that like that. We can put that like that. So we still got these little spots right there. As you can see, we can open that up and we can put more stuff down there. So, you know, I'm just gonna grab some more tools that I would normally take with me if I was gonna go and travel and cut someone's hair. We can throw that clipper in there. If I wanted to take another trimmer, I could throw this trimmer in there like so. And one thing I will say also, guys, if you're gonna travel and right here with it a little more freely, I would grab a guard and throw a guard on the clipper just to cover it up so you lessen the chance of breaking your blade. But check that out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got a good amount of tools in there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 6 tools in there and I still got a lot of space, right? So if I needed to take my blades with me, I got my blades right here. We can chunk them right here. We can chunk them right there. As y'all can see, you know, I wanted to take some guards with me. You know, there's some space down here still, so I can grab my guards, put them down there. As you can see, I got my guards now that I need. Let's say I wanted to take a brush. I throw my brush in here like so. Do I need some combs? Probably. So I got some combs. I can place them in this bag right here. Boom, I got my combs in there. I need to take my razor. I can put my razor right there. You can put more combs right there, more razors. You know, let's say I needed some hair product. I wanted to take some hair product. I could throw some hair product in there, boom. You know, I wanted to take some enhancements. I got my enhancements right here. You know, so I got my enhancements. If I needed a spray bottle, so I could put my spray bottle right there. I mean, you can move stuff around to however you want it to fit, obviously, right? You know, I can actually put this up here. There's pockets right here. So as you can see, man, there's a lot of stuff, and then we even got another one for more storage right here. You can put some more stuff in there. And I already got a good amount of stuff in here. I got some combs. I got my enhancement, my razor. I got my clipper, my trimmer, another clipper, another trimmer, another clipper, my shaver, some clay, my razors. You know, I mean, what else do you want to put in there? Oh, we need a neck duster, right? I got my neck duster. We can put the neck duster right here. We can put it right there, wherever you want to put it. And as you can see, we still got a little bit of room in there. But let's go ahead and see how this thing would look once we closed it up. So I just noticed that this bottle is a little big, it's a little bulky, so it doesn't allow it to close right. So we're gonna take this bottle out of there, but check it out. I'm still gonna show you how we can do this. All right, so now the enhancements. I'm just gonna throw it in there right there. Let's go ahead and zip this up now. And then now we're ready to go. If I wanted to take my water bottle, we can place it right there. As you can see, now we got everything in here that we need to do a house call with. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and strap this strap on there. One time for the one time. So now you wanna carry this on your shoulder. Oh, I hit my mic. So if you wanted to carry this on your shoulder, you could. As you can see, I got it on my shoulder. Or if you wanted to do the crossbody thing, boom, we got it on. As y'all can see. So you can have it this way, or you can have it, you know, the other way. As y'all can see, I got it on. I got it crossbody now. If you want to wear it like this, I still got all my equipment right here, right? Or if I want to just carry it like this, as you can see, I got it in my hand. So that's the good thing about these GandBPro bags. I'm rocking with this GandBPro one. Like I said earlier, guys, I like it because it's a little more compact than the other bags. I feel like I would like to travel with this bag more than my other bags. Because like I said, when I do travel and I'm taking stuff with me, I normally got my bag with me, my camera bag, my laptop and stuff in there. So with here, I can put my clippers in here, and it's easy for me to have my backpack on my back and then just carrying this like so. All right, so if you are interested in purchasing this bag from GandBPro, check it out, one time for the one time. So if you are interested in purchasing this bag from GandBPro or any other bags they have on their website, you can actually use my discount code. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I haven't set it up yet, but I'm gonna set it up before I drop this video. But I'll put the discount code somewhere on the screen for y'all. That way you can know what discount code to use if you wanna get yourself one of these bags or any of the other bags. Like I said earlier, guys, they do have different types of bags. They got the crossbody and they also have the backpack. And I think they have two sizes of the backpack, a small one or a medium one and a larger one. So depending on how much stuff you want to travel with is obviously going to be what's going to dictate what type of bag you want. But basically, man, that's it for this video. Like I said, I'm going to get that discount code for y'all. So if y'all do want to purchase anything from their website, y'all can use my discount code and save yourself some money. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go. You.